वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू एंड गुड मॉर्निंग। आज एक लेक्चर शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ जिसका नाम है लाइन इंटीग्रल। तो चलो शुरुआत किया जाए। लाइन इंटीग्रल, तो लाइन इंटीग्रल शुरुआत के अंदर मैं जो पहले लेने वाला हूँ कि ये एक फोर्स फील्ड लेने वाला हूँ। ठीक है, ये एक कार्व है, तो ये क्या है, ये फोर्स फील्ड है। ठीक है, force field, and this is point name P, curve. This is also curve, and A to B. So AB is a curve, and from P point to draw this side is a tangent T, and this is the element. Okay, there is an element. So for the component along the force F is FPT. Okay. So here FPT. So FPT is representing what? F cos theta. Okay. Integration along A to B FPT. Okay, and this FPT converted into A B F dot DL PT. So this is representing DL representing magnitude and PT representing direction, and after that, from this integration we know that we know that work done is equal to what? Work done, W is equal to integration of A to B F dot dr. Okay, we know that work done is equal to F dot dr, and if I compare with work done, and for conservative field, curl is equal to for conservative field curl equal to 0. So del cross of F is equal to 0. So del cross of del phi is equal to, I means we know that F is equal to del phi. Okay, force field is equal to del phi. So this is for conservative field, and after that we can say that work done is equal to, and direction and magnitude is representing same. So so we are using that F dot dl, and work done is equal to, you know what, work done is equal to F dot dr. We already know that. And for integration for A to B, work done dr is equal to same, we represent that integration of A to B del phi. Okay, dr. Okay, so physically we representing what? फिजिकली इसके अंदर क्या रिप्रेजेंट किया जा रहा है कि फिजिकली, सो फॉर फिजिकली it represent, it means line integral represent, physically line integral represent the work done. Okay, physical line integral representing what? Work done. Okay, so after that after that integration I is equal to integration a to b del r representing what? Del r representing where phi represent of x, y and z component, where del phi is equal to del x by del y, del phi by del x into del x plus del phi by del y into del y plus del phi by del z into del z. Okay, this is the representing of phi, and after that phi into del r. Okay, and after that it representing that integration of a to b, it will be phi of a and b. So after that it will be phi of b minus of phi of a. Work done is equal to so work done by the conservative field is path independent. Okay, path independent, and it's depend on the initial and the final position. Okay, initial and final position इट्स डिपेंड. सो इसको लिख लो, इसके बाद इसका एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करूँगा. ठीक है, चलो आप लिख लिया. ठीक है, मैं इसको मिटा रहा हूँ अभी. दैट क्वेश्चन ये है कि इंटीग्रल लाइन इंटीग्रल के अंदर एफ डॉट डी आर की वैल्यू मतलब निकालना होगा, जिसके अंदर ये दिया गया है कि फोर्स फील्ड जो फील्ड है उसका वैल्यू दिया गया है. सो एफ इज इक्वल टू एज पर क्वेश्चन, सो आंसर इज एफ इज इक्वल टू 5xy प्लस ऑफ 6y स्क्वायर प्लस 4y माइनस ऑफ 8x. ओके, सो along the direction is given that the C of xy plane. Okay, so xy plane means this is x, this is y, and this is z. So xy plane, it means these planes. Okay, so for that case it will be integration of value is 1.1 to 2.4, sorry 2,4. Okay, so it will be 5 of xy plus of 6y square plus of 4y minus of 8x. Okay, that's it. And for that place dr is equal to del of x I cap plus del of y j cap. Okay, so because of xy plane, so for that case it will be dx and it will be dy. Okay, मैं बहुत छोटा करने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. एंड आफ्टर दैट इसका जो पूरा वैल्यू है, ठीक है, ये पूरी अंदर ही चला जाएगा. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद ये निकल के आएगा 5 और एंड इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड व्हाट x इज इक्वल टू y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर गिवन. सो dy इज इक्वल टू 2x dx. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. सो 5x into y means x square plus 6 into x square to the power x square into dx plus y means 4 x square minus 8 into 8 into x, okay, 2x dx. Integration of 1 comma 1 2 comma 4, okay. After that when you will integrate one by one, what will be come out? So the result will be 5x cube plus 6 to the power x to the power 4 plus 8 x to the power cube minus 16 x square dx, okay. Integration 1 comma 1 to 2 comma 4, okay. So after that 5 into x to the power 4 divided by 4 into, so after that when I am taking the point name, there is a 2.1 given 1 comma 1. So for x value I am taking that integration from 1 to 2, okay. So 1 to 2, so it will be 1 to 6 into 4 to the power 5 divided by x to the power 5 divided by 5, 1 to 2 plus 8x divided by 4, 1 to 2 minus 16 x to the power 3 divided by 3 into 1 to 2. So it will be around 5 by 4 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 16 minus 1, 16 minus of 1, minus of 6 by 5 into 16 into 2 minus 32 minus of 1 plus of 8 by 4 into 16 minus 1 minus sorry I did a little mistakes. Definitely this will be the same, but when this is 8x cube and this is 5x cube, so I can write that this is 13x cube, so x to the power 4 by 4, so definitely it will rubbed, okay. So after that what will become? So 13 into 13 by 4 into 16 minus of 1 minus of 6 by 5 into 32 minus of 1 minus, and this will be positive, this is minus, so 16 by 3 to the power 8 minus of 1. So ultimate answer will be 13 by 4 into 15 plus 6 by 5 into 31 plus minus 16 by 3 into 7. So this will be the result, line integral. So the value of the line integral will be after this, okay. So I hope from this lecture you learned